Alright guys, welcome to another toy hunt. I'm here at the building section, which I never visit because I am not a builder. But look at this. This is the brick shop line by Mattel, making cars out of buildable materials. I gotta say, at least the Mattel design looks like a freaking car. Yeah, I can tell perfectly. This is an Acura NSX, one of the most beautiful cars of the 90s, very misunderstood and inspired the McLaren. And the thing is that Mattel's not only giving you that, but it's also giving you a little die-cast Hot Wheel NSX with a little bit of a, so you can pimp your ride. See, build and customize. Oh, you can make it a cop. Oh no. Look at all these things. Look at all these things, beautiful. And at least I can recognize the shape. Look at that, there's also a Corvette, the Grand Sport Corvette. I can tell from afar it's a freaking Corvette, and from up close that is a Corvette. And of course it includes also little Hot Wheels and swivel rims to customize, decals, god damn, I can't pronounce. And there's also a small version here. You can also customize it. It comes with a little one. This is a smaller scale, of course. It's 1997, and this one is, well, $54. Yikes. Compare that to a freaking Lego Technic. What in the hell is this? This looks like a freaking accident in 995. Resingado de mierda. Reventó el carro, fuck. Look at this. Look at this. This I cannot, not even from afar, not even from up close. Is this a Supra? Or is this something that happened like when they just stole your car, they took it to Hialeah, broke it to freaking pieces, and that's what's left? Not to mention, this legend has been completely and utterly butchered. Barely resembles a Skyline, and you can say the same about every other single thing. That's supposed to be a Huracan. That is a Cunizer. And yeah, don't. That's a Ferrari. And Ferrari endorsed this damn thing. Well, that's a Ford. I don't like Lego. I don't know. I understand the hype about it. Lego, let God means play good. I don't play good. I never played good. Not even as a child. I burned my toys. I was a very sadistic kid, so no, I never let go. Never play good. And I'm an adult, and no, I don't play good. I hate it when a company tells me how to play. So that's it for this toy hunt. Oh my god, what the hell, man?